Next, we will install the water tank.
First, put the water tank inside the body.
Plug in the water pipe. Both water pipes on both sides of the drone need to be connected. Next, we install the liquid level meters wires. Open the front case first. The liquid level meters wire. Pass through the dustproof plate at the bottom of the front. Install it at the liquid level meter port. Then cover the front case. Next, we install the water pump wires on both sides. The water pump line has arrow marks, which is consistent with the arrow mark on the joint. The other side of the water pump is installed in the same way.